Lots of crops are grown in the fields, including potatoes. We are a major potato growing area with our fall potato crop. And on our Allied Cooperative program today, Matt Selenske joins us, agronomy with Pest Pros. And Matt's over there in the Plainfield area. And Matt, you're right in the heart of potato country. Give us an overview of what the potato crop is looking like so far this year in a broad view.
The potato crop got off to a great start with the cool weather. It probably grew better than just about any other crop, better than corn and soybeans right off the bat. So the crop looks really good right now. We're just trying to keep it clean of Colorado potato beetles at this point, and then just monitoring disease potential. But again, the crop looks really good, really healthy right now. Tuber size is anywhere from, we can find 2 to 3 inch potatoes for chips right now, and 6 ounce to 8 ounce potatoes for baking. So it's moving right along.
So I was going to say, we're right along compared to where corn and soybeans might be. Potatoes are a little further along in their development towards harvest, it sounds like.
Yes, sir, they sure are. We do hit a summer lull, especially when we get some warm, humid days. Things kind of start to slow down as far as tuber bulking goes. Mm-hmm. But once we hit, mid-August, things start picking up again, and the tubers go to town.
Well, we know that potatoes grow in the fields like corn, beans, and everything else. That means Mother Nature has a say in it. You already alluded to some of the challenges like the beetles. What are you facing as far as insect challenges this year and control and methods, and where are we at?
Sure. So the Colorado potato beetles are kind of we're at the end of the first generation, and we're starting in second generation, and that's kind of this nice little twilight where we don't have to use insecticides because they have to kind of go through their life cycle. So we're on a kind of a break for the next week or so. But we did a pretty good job keeping the insects at bay. The other thing we've got going on right now is we had some humidity in the last 2 weeks, and we're starting to see some vine rot. It's a bacterial vine rot. And so the growers are trying to keep their fields as dry as they can without sacrificing yield.
I was going to say
that do need a lot of water.
I was going to say that has to be a challenge because potatoes are irrigated. You need that water, but yet you need to keep the plants dry. That has to be a challenge for growers and for consultants like you.
Yes, sir. It seems like you're darned if you do and darned if you don't. We just try to find that happy medium to make the crop and yet kind of limit disease.
How big a yield robber can things like Colorado beetles and some of this vine rot be if we don't take proper control?
Easily, you can lose 50 bags right off the top, which, one bag is 100 pounds, and one bag is about, anywhere from $10 to $15 a bag. So you can easily lose, $500 to $750 an acre.
We're now here getting towards the middle to the end of July into August. What are the things potato growers are going to be looking to stay on top of as far as herbicide spraying, insecticides, things like that going until we get to the harvest?
Well, the big thing right now is to keep the fertility levels up so that we can make it to harvest. There's a certain point where you don't want to be putting out any more fertilizer on these potatoes because they have a natural life cycle. All of these potatoes are stored, and you don't want them to be too green when you have to desiccate the vines to prepare for storage. But you don't want them to die off because they did not get enough fertilizer. So there's a lot of hem-hawing around about how much and how much to put out and how much you need to keep it going.
Now, can you just eyeball this? Do you take tissue tests, Matt, to stay on top of all this? Because it's a growing crop like corn and beans, but it's a food crop.
Yes, every potato field gets tissue sampled weekly, and so we like to monitor the changes, the fluctuations of the especially the nitrates in the plant, and we're also really looking at potassium levels.
And the crop is looking good. That's the bottom line, but not without its challenges. Matt, thank you. Appreciate the update on this year's potato crop over there in central Wisconsin.
Yes, sir. Good to be with you.
All right, Matt Selenske, agronomy with Pest Pros with Allied Cooperative. The potato crop in central Wisconsin on our Allied Cooperative program. I'm Bob Bosold.